Welcome to the course of IBM SPSS Business Research Techniques. So first just take a look on the course. Welcome to the course and I'm your instructor Sana Nazir. Basics to Advanced Learning. Anybody with the basic concepts of research can learn the SPSS training covering the basic to advanced concepts to carry out research analysis. The learning that makes you master at performing the analysis of your research by the help of short notes attached for each concept and practice exercises with each section and the lectures. I have attached short notes for each section and lecture that are going to help you to make your concepts clear. The next is the sections that we have covered in the course. First two sections are about introduction and the basics of SPSS. Inserting data and case summaries, adding labels and creating value labels, different functions with variables, and modifying default options in SPSS. Next section about is statistical analysis, which is about measuring central tendency, mean, median, and mode. And then there is analysis of stem and leaf plot. And then we are going to learn creating basic charts that are bar and pie chart. In the next section is we are going to talk about data analysis, which is just a little bit introduction about data, that how we're going to enter data in SPSS. In the next section 5, we are going to learn about reliability, that how you are going to check reliability of your analysis. So first there is introduction where there are main concepts, and then we are going to perform reliability and interpret reliability as well in the form of table that are actually API format table. In this section number 6, we are going with the introduction of demographics and then performing and interpreting demographics. In section 7, descriptives and normality, then introduction to descriptive and normality analysis, and then we are going to perform and interpret descriptives and normality. In section 8, we are going to form perfector analysis. Factor analysis, first there is introduction and then we are going to actually analyze our factors. Next, section 9 is about correlation. First there is introduction to correlation and then we are going to perform and then interpret correlation in the form of a table. In the section number 10, we are going to perform regression. First there is little bit introduction and then two types of regression, linear and multiple. In the last section, there is mediation and moderation analysis. First we are going to see what actually mediation and moderation is, and then we are going to analyze them by performing analysis. So this is all about the SPSS course. I hope you are really going to enjoy taking this course. So see you in the course.